Hello everyone and welcome back to another weekly Bitcoin portfolio update video. Now, if you guys are new, quick introduction to what this playlist is all about. Quite simply, I want to document my participation in Bitcoin as we, for the first time in history, hit 6 digits soon in the future. So I want to be able to document me actually holding on to at least one entire Bitcoin. Um, when we reach 100,000, it's as simple as that. And during these weekly update videos, I just simply share with you guys what the portfolio looks like. If we're up, down, what my views on Bitcoin are, if I have any, you know, things I'm doing to trade Bitcoin on the side as we hold on to this core position. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And of course, since I am going to be going over charts real briefly and some buys I've made, I want to make clear this is not financial advice. Again, it's just a way for me to document my participation in this, and in no means am I telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold any kind of asset during this video. So to get started, quite simply, Bitcoin, we're still trading just above $63,000 for we've been around this area for I think like a week now or so, and yeah, we did get a pretty large interest rate cut, and that improved a lot of the it kept us from breaking any lower. It was real good news. But to put it simply, if you guys been following for a while and watching my chart planning videos, you know I was also anticipating either consolidation or somewhat of a dip after the interest rate announcement, like all hyped up move takes place. And that's what we're seeing. We're seeing Bitcoin. I'm gonna jump into that in a moment, but we're seeing Bitcoin just kind of consolidate, mostly sideways. And I'm taking advantage of this because if you guys, I'm gonna jump into that in a moment actually. So let's just go over the portfolio real quick. So of course, you guys know that I do not intend on selling even a portion of this Bitcoin position until Bitcoin reaches $100,000. That's when I'm gonna slowly start to shave the position. So as of right now, we're obviously just holding. We're still well below 100K at 63,000. We still got the 1.139 Bitcoin. Our value in this portfolio is 71,966 as of this moment. So basically 72,000, and we are down $7,900 from our average buy price of $70,119. I invested over time. I kept averaging in slowly, usually like $5,000 to $10,000 at a time, as you guys can see down here, and haven't touched this portfolio since. I've been adding, and I feel real good having $80,000 invested in Bitcoin. So once we finally reach back up to 70K, I should be flat at 80,000, and then of course anything after that is just unrealized gains. But So I did add. If you guys know, I did sell out of. If you guys have been following me on my chart planning videos as well as on Discord, you know that I sold out of BITU. I made like $1,400 on it. I do a breakdown on why I sold it and on a previous video. So I'm not going to go over that again, but I do intend on adding more. And if you guys, I'm going to put a picture up here. I did add to Bitcoin monthly gains. So I did add, and I intend to keep adding to BITU throughout this week, and I'm going to explain why I'm going to do that. So normally fourth quarters are pretty bullish for Bitcoin. Besides that, October is quite bullish on Bitcoin, and a lot of other YouTubers, and there's a lot of people talking about this, so I'm not going to get into it too much. I don't want to repeat what's on the internet already too much, but it is expected that not just because of interest rate cuts, not just because of this well-extended Bitcoin consolidation has been going on for many months now, we are anytime now going to see a break to the higher side. We're going to finally see all-time highs being retested, and then of course new all-time highs being created. But October is expected, just by itself, putting aside interest rate cuts and all this other bullish stuff going on, besides all that, October is normally a bullish month. So at a minimum, we should see in October 70K being hit, and then very possible that 70K. Wait, what price are we at? Yeah, at a minimum in October we should see, because that's like 10% higher from now basically. So at a minimum we should see 70K being hit, and then very likely, conservatively speaking, $75 to $80,000 being hit. So at a minimum, even if it's very little, although I'm expecting it to be more, but even though if it's very little, I'm expecting new all-time highs in October. That's just personally what I think, like, whatever. Let's jump into trading view. So I'm not going to get too much into detail because I like to leave my detailed analysis in for my chart planning videos. But just to keep this video short, just super quick, just portfolio update. My intentions with BITU and the two transactions I just posted up here for you guys to look at a moment ago. I'm gonna give you guys my average buy for that position once I actually finish averaging it in. So the intentions are, and if you guys follow me on Discord, you probably already know. But my intentions is, since October is expected to be a very bullish month, and we have, besides today, the market's still open for the stock market, but we have, if I'm correct, 4 more. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Monday next week, we have 4 more trading days. I'm not going to do anything next Monday, but I intend for this week, I've done 2 transactions. I'm going to do 5, one every day of this week, but I have $10,000 that I got from BITU that I want to reinvest back into it. So my intentions and how I'm going to do that is, of course, I'm just going to add $2,000 somewhere in the first half of market open hours, sometime within the first half of every day till Friday. I'm going to be adding $2,000 into BITU. And the purpose of me doing this is because I do anticipate for the rest of this month, we have I think it's 7 days left, something like that. I expect the price of Bitcoin to either stay flat, kind of consolidate sideways, or see a little bit more of a dip coming into this retracement line I have down here that I'm currently moving. I'm going to move it more to the side. So that is my that's what I'm looking for. That's my intentions. I intend to keep averaging in for the rest of this week, and then for the last 3 days of September, the last 3 days, which I won't be doing anything. I'm just going to chill, sit back, and then wait for October to start. And then I intend to hold on to BITU for a minimum, like the majority of October, right? So that's it. That's what I plan to do, because I still see more upside on Bitcoin at a minimum. I'm expecting the price to stay at the most bullish part, just flat, and then we will finally start seeing prices break higher in October. At least that's what's expected. And then of course we'll be ready with like 400 something shares of BITU, I think. So I bought 77 yesterday, 77 shares today, and then we'll see what the price is at tomorrow. But yeah, that's my intentions with Bitcoin. Just hold on to it till $100,000, and then slowly shave out of it. And then as of right now, as a way to trade Bitcoin without touching this portfolio on a separate account, an actual stockbroker, I'm just buying BITU and actually trying to do a little bit of trading on the side, and as we continue to let this position right here that you're seeing play out. But yeah, I'm very excited that finally in October, at least I believe in October, we'll finally be flat once again. We won't be so much in the red anymore, and we will be finally back at 80,000, and then we can start finally seeing higher prices. And then I believe in the high 80,000s, or when Bitcoin is trading at around like high, maybe 88,000 or 89,000, our account should be at 100,000. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how this BITU position goes as well. I'll keep you guys updated on all that. I'll document it all. And if you guys do want to see what's going on before it's on YouTube. Of course, I have a free Discord. Everything's free. And I update you guys on there sometimes. So sooner than YouTube. So yeah, I hope to see you guys there. Social media is in the link down below. Again, of course, if my Discord link doesn't work in my website, just DM me on any of my Discords and I'll send it to you individually. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next update, and take care.